Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and tonight's video is about Font Playground, which is inside Corel Draw. I'm not 100% sure. I think it started around X6. I've never used it till tonight, but I had somebody ask me a question, and they couldn't figure out because if you open it up, and I just typed in the word, it comes up with this um, foreign language. I don't even know what that is, to be honest with you, but it doesn't really matter. And he was trying to figure out how to change that, and if you I'll just go back to here, and it's kind of confusing how to change it. You can go Control C to copy it, but then when you go over here, it won't let you, no matter what you do with your mouse, you can't paste it in there. So I'm going to actually just change this right now to, we'll just type in the word epilogue. And now we're going to want what epilogue looks like. So we're going to Control C, and then we're going to click in this box, but we have to hit Control V, and it's going to paste it in there. So now we've got 5 different epilogues written down in different fonts. And then his next question was, he couldn't figure out how to add a sample, because if you add a sample, it just goes Arial bold again. But once you're on that, you can go up here and click any font you like and see what it looks like. So to add a sample, you have to add a sample and then go pick your font. I do like this. I think it's going to be pretty cool because if you wanted to look, and you could make this a little bigger, you can slide this bar and make the fonts bigger. And you could rapidly see the word epilogue. And it's the same thing as doing it up here. But instead of clicking through each font, you can kind of compare. You know, if you had 2 fonts that were pretty identical, like Arial Bold is pretty close to that right there, but it's just thinner. So I hope that answered his question. So just to add a font, you just add a sample and then go up to your sample and add a sample. But to get it to go over there, and we'll go over that one more time, we'll edit this word, and if you had somebody's name, and I'll just use my name, go Control C, put it in this box, and go Control V. It takes just a second, and it should change. Maybe you have to get to the bottom. Yep, you have to go to the bottom of the page to add, like where it's right here, to add another sample. But then you can look at my name in different fonts very easily. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.